Hi guys, another toy from my stock, obviously a tractor, cost me £2, it's supposed to be 27 megahertz. I'm not sure if I've got anything that matches it or not, but when I picked it up I noticed it looks like the batteries have been leaking, so I would guess I've left it with batteries in it, which is annoying. No, I haven't. Oh, so what is that then? It's some sort of, maybe it's oil, lubricant. Oh, well in that case we'll put some batteries in it. It looks like 3 AAAs. And see if we've got any controllers that match it. Even if I have one that matches it, I should think it's one that needs 3 functions at least. Steering, drive and bucket, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I'll see if I've got any batteries. Well, I've put batteries in it and I've tried my favourite hand controller and that doesn't work. So I shall work through my box full of hand controllers, which I won't make you watch, but I will go through them and see if we've got any that match. Well, no progress so far. I haven't got all the way through the box, but I think I will just check we're actually getting power all the way in. So we'll take it apart. Because there was a little bit of corrosion on those battery terminals. So rather than spend an awful lot of time trying all the different controllers, we'll just check that we've got power getting through to the transmitter, receiver. That doesn't seem to have loosened it up. Yes it has, I'm just pulling in the wrong place. Okay. So, where does our battery go? Looks like that's the battery just there, that red and black. Which is sealed with a bit of hot glue to stop it popping out. That's the on-off switch. I reckon that's the... Ah, right, well that wasn't very good. That's the whole terminal or plug assembly that's just popped out off the board. I don't think that's actually as much of a problem as it looks at first glance. It's just pulled out of the plastic casing. Anyway, I'll see if I've got something I can plug into there and make sure we got battery conditions. Pretty sure I've got some of those connectors in here. Okay. No voltage. Oh, none significant anyway. Okay. Pretty sure that's the battery and earth. So it may just simply be the that's the battery connection there. So there was a bit of corrosion on there. I have cleaned them. Give them a bit more of a clean. Come on. That's a bit more like it. 4.5 volts, more or less. So see if we can just pop that back in place. Pair of pliers to be handy. I have to get my tools out. Right, as I say, that's just the plastic case that goes over there. It just came out with the glue. It's all a bit tight though. Sorry if you can't see what I'm doing. Right, and the on-off switch. Back in there. Right, I think we're still switched on. Yes, we're still switched on. Still not getting anything with that controller. Right, okay, well at least we've got the power back on, I think. I wonder if there's anywhere I can actually test on that board. I could lift the board right out. I have to release all, they've put lots of glue all around it to hold it all in place. I'll see if I can get some measurements on there anyway. But it's a bit tight for filming. Well, that's a bit disappointing. None of my 27 megahertz transmitters talk to the 27 megahertz receiver. And I'm looking at it. I mean, you guys probably know how my mind works. Can we make it hobby grade instead? Because that's an easy option. But I'm not sure that I've got enough space to fit what I want in there. It's quite a small area there. And you need to get a receiver in there and 3 ESCs. We need one ESC for the front drive steering motor, one ESC for the main drive, and another ESC for the bucket, or whatever we want to call it. And I don't think I've got 3 of them handy at the moment. I think I've used most of them up on all those other conversions I've done. So we might have to put this one back together and leave it till I've got some spare ESCs. Or I could have a look on somewhere like AliExpress and see if I can get a multi-channel receiver and transmitter at a reasonable price, and one that will actually fit into that space. The one I bought recently would have been too big, and that was only 2 channel anyway, not 3. I'll have a look online, but I'll have to tidy up anyway. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.